Well, guys, I'm out here in the garage this morning. It just got through raining, and we got rain all day coming in. So, I tell you what, it was pouring down rain earlier. Well, at least my yard is not flooded back here in the corner. When it starts to flood back here, then I know we've got a lot of rain. Boy, let's get over here to the bench. I got some stuff I want to show y'all. Let's do a time and temperature check. It's about 10:30, going on 25 till 11. 77 must be, or 78 looks like, really. 61% humidity. Yeah, humidity's up. It's more humid outside than it is in here in the garage. But guys, I want to show you. This is that 1935 Ford that I printed out on my 3D printer. Man, I tell you what, this thing is super cool. I did notice one thing on this. When I printed it out and I let it set for a while, right in here, it seemed to flare out. I guess maybe it was still in the curing stage or something. I don't know. So I wrapped some tape around it. Here's one of the other bodies I did. I wrapped some tape around it to try and keep it from bowing so much. And I actually just took the tape off this one a little while ago, and it looks like it worked. So, because it's not bowed out. But man, I tell you what, I think I'm going to build this next. I don't have too much more to go on my 1955 Chevy Pro Sportsman there. And then I think I'm going to jump on this one. Boy, this is going to be a cool build. This is a complete kit that I printed out. There's the, man, I tell you what, that chassis is killer. Really super detailed. I'm digging it. Here's the wheels and tires. I kind of snapped them together to see how they'd fit, and they fit pretty good. But I found these dog dish hubcaps I might put on there. I don't know just yet. Still kind of in the thinking stage. And there's that old flatty that's going in there. I got the head sitting on there. There's the whole front for the pulleys and the water pumps and everything. And the old tranny. Steering column. There's the gear shift for it. That's pretty cool. That's a long one, isn't it? They give you everything in this kit. I mean, there's the front end, the rear end. It's all set up. This is pretty much basically a stock looking 35 Ford. The suspension has been lowered on it quite a bit to make it look up to date, like a up to date hot rod. But I'm not sure how I'm going to do this just yet. Man, I tell you what, I really want. I think I might just leave those steelies the way they are. I've got some other wheels I could use, but I think I just might. I don't know, man. I want to do one up that's like a black with the red steelies on it or something like that. I don't know. I'm just thinking out loud here, guys. I'm not sure exactly how I'm going to do this up yet. Just haven't got in the thinking stage of it yet. I'm still trying to finish up that 55. So, but I wanted to give an update on what my next build is going to be. Look at the detail on that engine. Man, that is super cool, isn't it? I'm going to be, depending on how this comes out, I've already kind of snapped everything together and everything fits really well. So I'm going to be printing some more of these out, I believe, because, man, they are super cool. I'm not a big fan of the door handles being on the body or the lights being on the body. The headlights are already on there. And then this is really going to be kind of a project. I want to chrome, I think chrome the perimeter of this grill and then black out the center, I think. The inner part of that. But, not too bad. Pretty cool. There's the hood comes off. But like I said, this thing is super detailed. I mean, I just can't get over it. I think somewhere I've got some decals for headlights that I might be able to use. I'm not sure. I just have to. I'm gonna have to look. I just look at the detail on that. That is really cool. Now this one, this is I can't get a good shot of this, but the top of this on the plastic, you can see it's got those marks in it. Those are so faint, and it's only going to take just a little bit of sanding on that. That's the only thing I can see that was wrong with this printout. Now, this didn't happen on the first printout I did because in my software, I had this orientated in a different direction. So that's why I probably got those lines. But like I said, those will stand out super, super nice. Well, guys, just want to come on here and give everybody an update on what my next build is going to be. And that's going to be it right there, that 1935 Ford Coupe. And it's been chopped. But I just think it looks pretty cool. I have not decided yet. I may do away with that rag top there. I'm not sure yet. I think I did that on the 36 that I built. So, haven't decided yet, guys. All right, just want to come on here and then show everybody what my next build is going to be. And I can't wait to get to this one. All right, I'm done.